So, what's up mga CSS? So, nagbabalik po ako. Ako po si Strawman Yokose. Magtuturo sa inyo ng Module 9. So, ano nga po ba ang Module 9? Ang Module 9 aims at the Personal Protective Equipment or PPE. So, ano nga po ba ang PPE? Ang PPE is a safety gear like clothing, gloves, goggles, and masks used to protect people from injuries caused by chemicals, heat, electricity, or infection. In school labs, students and teachers must use PPE such as number 1, goggles. So what is goggles? Goggles protect eyes from dust, light, and wind. Number 2, gloves. So what is gloves? Gloves protects hands from dirt, cuts, and chemicals. Number 3, face mask. Face mask prevents inhaling dust and harmful chemicals. So now, let's move on to the tools for computer assembly and disassembly. These tools consist of 3 categories. For our first is ESD. So what is ESD? ESD is electrostatic discharge tools. It protects computer's part from static electricity. Like for example, anti-static wrist strap. It prevents ESD damage. Number 2, anti-static mat safe surface for components. So for our second category is hand tools. Hand tools used to loosen or tighten screws. Like for example, Phillips screwdriver. Phillips screwdriver is used for crosshead screws. For number 2, flat screwdriver is for slotted screws. So for our third category is diagnostic tools. So what is diagnostic tools? Diagnostic tools is used to check computer problems. Like for example, number 1, multimeter test. Multimeter test is used to test electricity and circuits. Number 2, loopback adapter. Loopback adapter is test for computer ports. So let's go jump to our next topic, which is OSH, Occupational Safety and Health. So what is OSH? OSH is about keeping workers safe and healthy at work. It aims to provide a clean and safe workplace for employees, customers, and others. So while working, we know that we have different type of hazard. So what is work hazards? Work hazards are dangers that can cause injury or illness. They include physical hazards, for example, noise, heat, cold, vibration, and poor posture. So for second one naman po natin is mechanical hazards. Mechanical hazards, for example, moving machine parts and sharp tools. Third one is chemical hazards. For example, harmful liquids, dust, or gases. Biological hazards, for example, bacteria, viruses, and pests. Psychosocial hazards, for example, stress and poor work environment. Three-way think safe measures. For number 1, hazard identification. Hazard identification is to spot things that can cause harm. Second one, risk assessment. Risk assessment is check how likely harm may happen. Number 3 is risk control. Risk control is take steps to reduce or prevent risks. This is the ways to control risk. For our first is elimination. Remove the hazard. Number 2, substitution. Replace with a safer option. Number 3, isolation. Separate hazard from people. Number 4, safeguards. Use safety devices. Number 5, procedures. Safe work methods. Number 6, PPE. Last option for protection. So this is the common hazards for computer technicians. For our first is physical, for example, tripping over cables. Number 2, mechanical. Sharp edges or moving parts. Number 3, chemical, for example, cleaning sprays, ink, and toner. Number 4, electrical shocks from high voltage. So this is the safety precautions at work. Don't work alone. Choose cables properly to avoid short circuits. Wear rubber shoes on concrete floors. Turn off and unplug computers after working. Keep drinks away from computers. No emergency plans. Always use PPE correctly. Avoid ESD damage to components. And lastly, don't force parts if they don't fit. So that's it, guys. I hope that you learned something from me. So it's time to say goodbye. Peace out.